Hello, welcome back. So I have an unboxing to do with you guys today. A Typhoon unboxing. Are you super excited? I know, me too, me too. Oh my gosh, if you have something to drink, let's get this party started. All right, so Typhoon, I broke the seal on it so we wouldn't have to mess with that. And here we go. So this is from Amazon. Something Larry, this is what Larry purchased for me. Super excited. I have not put the video out yet, but Larry purchased some snowmobiles. Yeah, so we've had them before. We've had snowmobiles before. But when we sold them, we sold our helmets to go with them. We have all our other gear. But so, in here, first things first, we have a Typhoon Breathe box. Yeah, Typhoon helmets. This is what it attaches to the front of your helmet to go over your nose. We have our instructions here. And now this is to change your shields. Here we have all the electrical cords you need for your heat shield. And here is another shield. This, as a matter of fact, is the heat shield. And it'll get hooked right into there. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Super excited. We'll put that back on. In fact, I should probably just do that right now before I lose it. Did I drop paper, puppies? I did. I've got them. Thank you, girlfriend. And what else do we have in here? And ta-da! Let me move this box. So let's try from this angle. So you get a dust cover, dust bag for your helmet. Most helmets come with them. Da-da. Dun 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 dun. Oh, isn't that just the prettiest thing you ever saw? Yeah. Oh my gosh. I stinking love this helmet. So I am a small. I wear a size small helmet. And what else do I have to tell you about this? It's a modular helmet. And it has a quick release. So, you see these? Yeah, it's almost, it has that zip tie sound. Zip, zip, zip. Yeah. So here, let me show you. Just getting everything out of the way. All right. So. Check this out. I know you heard that. Super simple, super easy. Check this out. See that little red tab? Here's my modular. Yeah, the whole face lifts up. And it has sunglasses already in it. Oops, I have to pull it back down. Here we go. I have not taken the the paper or anything off the plastic on it. So bring it back down, snap it in. The front goes up as well. So you have vents here, right here, and up here, right here. And are there some on the sides? No. Is that awesome? Let me show you this again. Just like that. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. It doesn't spin, move on my head in any way. Oh, it's great. And again, quick release. What? I love this. Again, it's a Typhoon helmet from Amazon. Make sure you lock it in place before you go snowmobiling. It'll freaking fly up on you. This is awesome. I love it. No more worrying about my glasses or anything like that. And what else? So this is not the heat shield. And yeah, I have all the, you can even use it with the sun visor up. Yeah. So it can be down. That's awesome. Have you ever been blinded by the snow when you're snowmobiling during the day? Or you can slide that bad boy up and bring it down. Oh my gosh. Again, the thingies are still on it. So, what else do I have to say? So this is not the heat shield. This is just the regular shield. There are, over here on the side, somewhere, there's a spot where you can press and release to put these in. So you have your heat shield. Actually, it goes this way. That way, you guys, when we're snowmobiling, it's like a defrost. So it doesn't fog up, freeze up. I've had that happen so many times on so many snowmobiling adventures. And the breeze box. Let me grab that and show it to you. This breeze box, is that the top of it? It goes like this. Goes hooks inside here so that your nose will be covered. So there is a spot inside where this hooks. This is so cool. All right, let's see where it hooks. That's the back. It must hook in the front somehow. Well, I'm not really sure. I will have to read the directions for that. But again, this is for the inside, and it goes over your nose. It'll protect your nose like this, so you don't freeze. And it's called a breathe box. So you guys, that is my unboxing for my Typhoon helmet. My purple and black special order Typhoon helmet. For snowmobiling. I love it. Let me hook it up one last time. No more waiting. Nobody has to wait anymore for you to fumble to get your chin strap hooked up. Whoops. Lock that in place. You don't want it flying up on you. Bring this down. Ha. Bring that down. This is awesome. I cannot wait to try it out. I cannot wait for snowmobiling season, which is after like December 19th, I believe. So if you guys, if you like this type of content, please give my video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I would love to have you in the family. And don't forget to check out my 3 membership levels. 3 levels of membership. Coffee Club, Wildflower, and Bohippianlife. I would love to see you on a live video as well. You guys, again, have the best day ever. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next video.